So welcome, and in this short video we are going to practice dividing a decimal number by a decimal number using long division and multiplying by 100. So apologies for the cumbersome title. So we will now show you the example that we are going to take, and in this case we're going to divide 11.55 and we're going to divide that by 0.22. Again, we need to get rid of the decimal on the divisor side. That's the number that's doing the dividing. This time we're going to have to multiply it by 100, and 100 times 0.22 becomes 22. If we multiply this side by 100, we must also multiply this side by 100. So that becomes 1155. Now we write out the sum using our normal long division method. So it's going to be 22. I'm going to divide that into 1155. Start with the leftmost number. How many 22s are in 1? 0. Group. How many 22s are in 11? That's 0. Group again. This time how many 22s are in 115? So there are 5 22s in 115, and 5 times 22 gives us 110. We're going to take away 5 times 0, that leaves us with 5. 1 times 1, that's 0, and that's 0. Check and see, is this number here, so our 5 smaller than 22? It is. Let's bring down our 5. Now we need to see how many 22s are in 55. Well, there are 2, because 2 times 22 gives us 44. We need to take those away. So 5 take away 4 is 1. 5 take away 4 is 1. Now we're going to add our decimal point up here. And we're going to add in our 0. We're going to bring it down. Now we ask how many 22s are in 110. We've done that already. We found it was 5. So 5 22s. That's 110. Take them away, and we have no remainders. The second example that we're going to take is we're going to divide the number 9.728. So 9.728, and we're going to divide that by 0.38. Okay, so again we've got to get rid of the decimal on the divisor side. There are 2 numbers after the decimal point. We need to multiply by 100. 100 times 0.38 gives us 38. If we multiply this side by 38 by 100, we must also multiply the other side by 100. That becomes 972.8. Then write it out as normal. Start with the leftmost number. How many 38s in 9? There's 0. How many 38s in 97? There are 2, which is 76. Let's take them away. 7 take away 6 is 1. 9 take away 7 is 2. Check, is that smaller? It is. Bring down your 2. How many 38s are in 212? So there's going to be 5 38s in 212. That's 190. Take them away. That's 2. 1. That's 11. That's 2. Check, is that smaller? It is. Line up your decimal points. Bring down your next number. And how many 38s are in 228? Well, 630 and 180 plus 48, that's going to give us 228. So 6 times 38 gives us 228. Take them away, and we're left with 0. And we have an answer of 25.6. So this has been a short video dividing a decimal number by a decimal number using long division and multiplying by 100.